Hey, my name is Karen Jones, content creator for the Society of Technical Analysts. Today we're looking at the euro versus US dollar. This is a weekly chart, and as we can see, the market is failing at the top of a 3-year channel. And in conjunction with that, the weekly RSI is starting to diverge. This suggests a loss of upside momentum at this key juncture. In addition, when we look at the euro-dollar monthly chart, we can see that the market is failing ahead of its 200-month moving average here at 119.81. So the failure at these key resistances, in conjunction with its loss of upside momentum, does suggest we are likely to see a significant turn. But is this a euro move or is it a US dollar move? To determine that, we need to look at the US dollar majors first. And when we look at the dollar yen and the dollar Canada, we can see both are showing evidence of basing on the charts. Now that would imply some US dollar strength. However, if we look at things like the US versus the Swiss franc, we can see that the US dollar strength is not broad-based. And in fact, this market remains in a downtrend, and this downtrend has recently been tested and again held. So, is it a euro move? So to determine this, we need to look at euro crosses. When we look at euro Aussie and euro Swiss, they're just going sideways, so it would suggest not. However, two of the larger crosses are euro sterling and euro yen, and both have been in really strong up moves. Euro sterling is approaching its 2025 highs, and euro yen is approaching inter-decade highs, both of which suggest they are likely to see failure. And again, this would imply that this could be a significant turn for the euro versus the US dollar. So what's the answer? Well, the answer is it's a bit of both. So you've got two major euro crosses now approaching much tougher resistance. Chances are they're going to fail, and it does add weight to the idea that we should see significant failure in euro dollar here. But what we've actually been doing is applying one of the key tenets of Dow Theory, i.e. all of the averages should confirm your view. Now, if you would like to learn more about Dow Theory and technical analysis, the STA Diploma Part 1 course will be starting in October. So please head to www.technicalanalyst.com/education to learn more. Thanks very much.